Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today our video topic is how to close large pores at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a fresh bowl. Now, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. Then add 1/4 white toothpaste. Now, mix it well properly. Ready for use. Now apply it on your skin gently. Leave it for 15 minutes. Use it 2 times in a week. Then wash your face with cold water. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.